Hey, what's going on today? We doing a mukbang bang today, okay? Bang bang. Might be a little burping, we don't know. I don't know about the other thing, a little farting, I don't know about that. Whatever happens, happens today. See Light Bright over here, she feeling better. See, she got her two ponies at the top of her head today. I prepared some cabbage and onions, and y'all know my famous chicken, and some broccoli, chicken, rice. See? There we go. What you got to say, Light Bright?
Nothing.
She ain't never got nothing to say.
I ain't got nothing to say. I just go.
She just go. Go with the flow.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
My rice done got a little cold.
We got a little cold. This has got a little cold. Y'all know I'm always doing something with some chicken. Y'all know chicken is my favorite. Y'all probably get tired of hearing me say I cook some chicken.
I'm gonna turn to a damn chicken.
I love chicken. And this is good. I got some broccoli in here. I cut up some cabbage, onions, bell peppers. Look at that.
I ain't got a little cold. Food.
This is Diet Dr. K. Okay? It's short for Dr. Pepper, but it's K, meaning Kroger. Okay?
Yeah, I ain't hear that. I just had to fart.
Oh man, I told you today is whatever goes. Whatever goes. I hope y'all having a good day today.
I ain't know about that sick fart.
I'm glad I don't smell it. You know, they got it made. Mama cooks every day. Look at that skin.
I don't eat the skin. She's alright.
Y'all couldn't even see her.
I can't even see you now.
They always see me. They be want to see you sometimes too. My kids always come around and ask, what would they do without me? They don't know.
There she goes.
There I go. Congratulations to Queen and Clarence.
Oh yeah, when they boy.
On their boy.
I cried when I seen that. I'm like, oh, that's so cute.
It is, ain't it?
Yeah. And I'm happy that you happy too.
Yes, I am. Y'all gonna have a little fat, happy baby. And congratulations to Damo. Very positive for contacting her father. That made me cry.
I'm gonna put some hot sauce. You know, I don't know how I was gonna use hot sauce and ranch on my chicken.
It's almost gone.
I only had 2 pieces of chicken, Mama.
I just want them piece.
I'm straight.
I be trying to stuff though. That's why we fat. I eat.
I ain't fat. I'm thick.
And she thick.
I ain't fat. I know what you're talking about. I know what she's talking about. I'm not fat.
Well, we pleasantly plump.
No, I'm thick. I'm thick all the way. I know what she's talking about.
This pop does the trick too. You want some? And it's good and cold.
Well, yeah, after I get done from eating.
You want to eat that
I'm
food?
almost done.
Okay. She wants to eat her food first.
I'm almost done.
Yes, yes, yes. Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm thinking, y'all, my spare time, I'm thinking about starting a channel. Thinking about it. Because I don't be doing it on my spare time. I be bored. Like, I was just on Facebook, on live, just talking. Bored.
Oh, man, you can burp on good man, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I'm saying. That there. This is really good. This is really good.
I'm just not there sucking on the bone.
She's sucking on the bone. I put some Worcester sauce on there. I season my meat real good. Mm-hmm.
I should got some napkin.
I know. Suck on that. Mixing all that meat up in there. Mm-hmm. I put my foot in this chicken today, didn't I? You didn't even eat that hot sauce and ranch, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I still eat my hot sauce and ranch on my chicken.
This is really good with that chicken rice. Cabbage. And them onions and bell peppers. You just like me. You clean your nails out. You eat all the food away from.
Yeah, I hate that.
I do too. Once you get it from me. Y'all comment down below. Y'all always see me sucking on my nails, don't y'all? Because that food get underneath them.
Yeah, I hate that, y'all. I got it real bad. OCD, bro. I hate stuff to be nasty.
Yes. I hate that too. Some people always trying to tell me, when you sit down, stop cleaning.
When you stop cleaning, the house will be nasty.
My house will be nasty. I can't stand a nasty house. And I can't stand for my grass to grow long. Like I said, I get out there and cut it. Take me about 2 hours.
So you gotta clean my clean, yeah.
She's about finished. Look at that one. She didn't clean that.
Yep.
Yeah.
That cabbage was good.
You like that cabbage I did? Yeah, I cut up the cabbage up over the chicken. And them onions. Season it real good. Slap some broccoli up over it. That Dr. Tasty. She got it going on. I would tell she feel better. She been around here all day, but it's getting better.
Yep.
Mm.
I should have got some napkins.
That's okay. Mm.
I hate that. I don't understand. I ain't even fully done with my cold. I still got cold in my system. Sometimes it take people a week and a half to get over their cold.
This is the longest we ever had a cold like this, ain't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's the longest.
It's weather.
This weather keep changing.
Mm-hmm. This cabbage is really good.
Yeah, it is. You put your foot in
I
it.
gotta make some more of this and just think we was gonna eat some pieces today. And she wanted some more chicken and noodles.
Yeah, chicken noodles is fat.
I ain't want no chicken and noodles. Well, okay, let me put this together.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna start real soon. Showing y'all how I prepare my food.
That right there. Mm-hmm.
That was a good one. Y'all probably just like, would y'all shut up and just go and just burp? Burp and fart. Do the farts.
What else do y'all want us to do? That's what I was meaning to ask.
They been saying burping each other's face.
We already did that.
Fart, constantly a farting challenge. Like I say, I can fart on command. That's something that comes natural. And some people didn't say eat beans, even with beans. Mm-mm.
Yeah, beans will make you fart.
But that runs, you know, that runs your mama to the bathroom. I won't be able to sit here.
Oh, damn.
What happened?
Mazai, give me a towel.
Okay.
What did you do?
None. The pop pack went down my sleeve.
This is really good. Mm-hmm.
Mazai, come on. That was a nasty burp.
That was a nasty one.
It sounded like it's clogged up.
Sound like an animal.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody said I got them man burps.
You do.
Who was it? Jay Lee? Jay Lee Oldham. I think it's Oldham. He said I got them man burps.
You do.
That's one thing. He be my very first one to give me a comment. Thank you, Jay Lee. Then Trenton. Then Mr. T. Then some Mr. RRGG. I don't know what that is. Well, when I look on there, it used to be Trenton. I don't know what happened to him. I ain't seen him in a while. But they been talking about some farts. Straight farts. We want to see some farting challenges. Now, I'm going to tell y'all, I don't know what I can do. But as far as me farting constantly, it's not going to happen unless I get one of them fart pads. Okay? But we love y'all. And we coming to y'all today. And peace out. And I love you, family. And hope you have a wonderful night.
We love you, too. Well, I love you. I'm sorry. What's my weed? She love you, too. But I love you as well, you know. So, give us some thumbs up, you know.
And if you haven't subscribe to your faith family and become a part of this family. Love you.